Phone lines are still open, 850-392-1544, or you can always email us at lawcall@WMBB.com. We have another call on the line. Nathan with an easement question from Ozark, Alabama. Go ahead, Nathan.
Yes. To access my home, I have to, I guess, turn off onto a power company's easement, which they paved, I guess, a while ago. And then I turn off of it to get up to my house. Originally, where the power line ran, where my property would have run with a driveway, but you're not allowed to add any permanent structures underneath the power lines. So my only question is maintaining that road that they use. It's dilapidated and it's got potholes on it, and I'm trying to find out what I can do to actually get that fixed, because I know at the very beginning of it, it's in the right-of-way, which would be the city, and then leaving the right-of-way would be the power company's problem. But it's all an issue.
Okay.
And I'm trying to find out
If you can get the road fixed. So Nathan, Doug, I'm sure you may have come across this in the state of Florida now. So let me be real clear, Doug.
Yeah.
We'll answer this as if it was in the state of Florida, not in the state of Alabama, because I don't want to mislead you, but I have a strong feeling that it's probably pretty closely similar. So if this situation happened in Bay County, Florida, Doug, what would someone like Nathan need to do?
Yeah, Nathan, because it is a state law question. It is specific to Alabama, and I'm only licensed in Florida. I think maybe you are too,
Yeah.
Chris, in Florida. And so, in general, I mean, an easement right is a right of access. I think it's limited. If it were in Florida, it'd be a limited issue of whether you could force the owner of what they call the servient, the landowner below your easement, to have to take care of it in any particular way. But really what you need to do is, I'm sure there are plenty of good real property lawyers in Ozark, and find out what Alabama law is on this, because it is specific state to state.
So if we had Larry on the show, he's licensed, and so is Ted. They're licensed in Alabama. So unfortunately, we got two Florida lawyers here. But let me just ask this. So if this is in Florida, and let's say it's Chris Young owning this piece of property, and the power company's coming across my property, and the road's a mess, can I go fix the road?
Yeah, I mean, it depends. I would say in general, to be able to use the access, which you're entitled to, because it's your easement, right, if I'm understanding this right.
I own the property. I give the easement to the light company.
Oh, well, if you're the servient, you're the one who owns the property underneath, you certainly can fix your road. Yeah.
And can I bill a light company for tearing it up? Can I force them to pay for the repairs?
I would doubt it, frankly. Okay. And the fact pattern from Nathan, as I was understanding, I thought what Nathan was saying was that he had the easement, he had the right to travel across the power company's property, and under those circumstances, it's a little trickier, because you just have a right to access. Does that include the right to maintain it? Maybe minimally to keep it passable.
Right, okay.
Something like that.